What's the difference between full-spectrum, whole-plant CBD oil versus an isolate or pure CBD oil? Full-spectrum refers to products that not only contain CBD, but also the full spectrum of over 100 cannabinoids and terpenes, as well as minerals, fatty acids, proteins, chlorophyll, flavonoids, and fiber. Usually, this will be in ratios that were naturally occurring and extracted from the plant. With full-spectrum CBD oil, you have the advantage of the entourage effect, where all the cannabinoids and terpenes work together in synergy, building upon one another, enhancing the plethora of therapeutic benefits. CBD isolate, on the other hand, will have nothing but CBD in it, because the CBD compound alone has been extracted out of the plant. So it will still have CBD, but it will not give the benefit of the entourage effect or the other vitamins, minerals, and nutrients found in full-spectrum CBD.